when me there with a woman and me change one light bulb and she say, oh my God, me don't know what would I do without you. That just boosts me just feel good and feel like a man.
Yeah.
And them things that make you way more productive. And that's somebody where you can take care of too.
Facts.
You get
And
me?
I think the reason why a lot of them young youth, where, you know, I run off them out, I get a tough chat on the internet, they have never experienced that.
Yeah.
So they cannot even fathom the idea of paying or taking care of a woman because a woman have never taken care of you.
Yeah, in no way, shape,
or form. She frowns when you want to look a front, brother.
Yeah.
Because she not really attracted to you like that.
Yeah, she don't really dig you like that. She don't really dig you
like that, bro.
It's true.
You see me?
It's true.
She can you because you're clownish.
Yeah.
Take your things because you're a goof.
Yeah.
And then when you say a man where a woman goes to add value to him life and him, you know, telling her thank you by taking care of the little necessities.
Yeah.
You know, because him have it.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys are talking like that because you ain't got
because you don't have it. Because you don't have it. And you know what's crazy? Even in my situation, like, you have to analyze your woman and analyze your situation and know how to deal with it.
Yeah.
In my situation, me did have a woman where me spend one $2,000, let's say me spend one $3,000 on bills. But guess what? This is somebody where she a go, now that Christmas time they gonna come up, she a go out and she go buy beer decoration and and Christmas tree and buy gifts and things where costs are way more than $3,000. Me look at $3,000 my pay upon bill is a drop in the bucket to the money that she spent.
Wow.
Changing up the whole place and putting snow and a Christmas tree and buying
and you know they go all out.
And you know them go all out.
A woman them go all out.
And you know me not care about them. So never they go do it.
Yeah.
She did it and she spent way more money than what I spent. You know what I'm saying? So when you have some man just a penny watch, I say, oh, me pay all of the bill, them rare. So what do you do?
Yeah.
You know what she do? She buy candle and she buy one little gift for you and she buy one shoes. She got the mall. She see one shirt and she think it would have cute pan and she buy it. Enough to, and sorry, but me and the type of person when I go to the mall, go buy things for myself.
Yeah.
I buy something and I gone out of the mall. I'm not even too like there at the mall too long. But a woman I gotta do certain a good woman.
Yeah, a good woman. We're not found and never have
yet. She go there at the mall and she go see one shirt. She go say, oh my God, that's a cute pan Lincoln. And when if you really do the maths, my woman when me did in that situation and me pay bills and whatever, if you really do the maths, she spend more money than I spend.
Yeah. So it's like it's nothing for me to do.
I know nothing at all. Stop penny watching and want split bill with woman. Me not do them something sucky shit.
Yeah.
Me not split bill with woman and them something there, dog.
Yeah.
Lame. Yeah, dog. Me not do them something there.
So you take offense. You know what I mean? You can't judge him based on how you want to live. You understand?
Yeah.
But if you're going to say whatever you want to say about him have all right to say about what he wants to say about Uno too.
Yeah.
Is that what I say?
So
and
if me a pay bills sim shit,
yeah.
Well, sorry, you splitting bills is sucky shit. I don't do that.
Trouble. so basically, with all of this, you just have to make sure you have a good woman in your corner because that is what will change your mindset. Because a lot of on defensive because we know say how old you them girls out here. Where does
enough of them not good.
Them man money
them
and
come for just drain you.
Yeah. But I know every girl they have to do that bad, bro.
It's true.
And you have to just pick the queen where you know it's alright then. You know what? Me and her, we can build something.
Yeah.
Or she have the mindset, but she might have the right idea.
Yeah.
So you can bring for the ideas.
Yeah.
Don't just pick the girl and not gonna bring no value to her life because when you pick them girl and you see how Lincoln operated theme girl, it's going to look like same shit. Yeah. But if you actually know the backstory, and know that she is the reason why I'm in the position that I'm in.
Yeah.
No found more loyal to no bridging than a girl, bruv.
Man, them love man.
All I do is swap spit up spliff, brother.
Yeah. Enough money that go to the club with them friend and buy buckle for them friend and them some minute a girl beg them $100. Them a look on her crazy.
Ooh, that girl
yeah. It's crazy.
That's true.
Yeah, me know enough people are gonna probably ask, so why you single then?
So what's the answer for that?
Yo, so basically me me single because me feel like say a relationship basically it dey mess with my peace of mind. Because I am a free spirit. And guess what go on? My relationship at first it was fun and it was open and it was all of them something there, and not necessarily the woman part I have other woman and them thing there, but just the peace of mind for me can say, Negus, you can call me and say, yo, you know see where I pray for God DR, and me can say, yeah, me a forward.
Yeah.
When me have a woman, me can't do that.
It's like you got to report to somebody.
You have to report to somebody.
And you know, to be honest with you, bro, that's one of my main problems too. It's like I feel like I don't wouldn't say I feel boy up, but it's like the obligation to somebody else is like
kills me.
Yeah, it's like I should be more obligated to myself. And my joy.
Yeah, my joy, whatever feels, whatever make me feel good and feel, I should just do that.
Yeah, yeah.
If me feel like get up on God DR with Negus them and Chabas them tomorrow, me just want just go.
Yeah.
Me don't want somebody to tell me say, yo, so why you gotta go with Negus and you know?
Especially DR.
Yeah, you know it's
DR
the girls
hell,
in
boy.
DR. Me don't want to deal with none of that.
Yeah, yeah.
And me just feel like say even in a time like this with COVID and people just are dead and
Yeah.
the world is just crazy. Me just want to live my life to the fullest. Anything when me get up and feel like say me want to do today,
You do it.
I just want to do it.
I feel you 100%. So let me ask you this. Do you think there is ever going to be a point in time where you settle down and, you know, like build a family unit? Do you think that'll ever happen? Chubby!
Yo, me don't know, me don't see it. Me don't see it right
Yeah.
now. Me don't see it right now. I just, to all the world is crazy. Yo, when me look on this whole COVID thing and people start to move crazy and much people are dead, it's just me just look and say, yo, that journey, me just want to enjoy that journey to the fullest.
Yeah.
Me don't want no more pitney. Me just want to live.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally. I understand it. I'm a free spirited individual too, bro. So it's like, bro, I don't like when people tell me what to do. But I like none of that.
Yeah,
I just want to live for me.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
And that was a problem. I was living my life for like, you know, my family, bro.
And people think it's selfish when
No.
Let me tell you something.
Nothing is wrong with being selfish when it comes to certain things.
Say, you need to be selfish.
Yeah, I agree. I
You
co-sign
need to
that.
be selfish.
I co-sign that.
And some people vex when you are selfish because them never selfish. You get what I mean? Like them give up for themselves and for them joy, for please you or for accommodate you. And then when you decide that you're gonna accommodate yourself, they mad.
Yes.
But guess what? You wouldn't be mad if you were selfish in the first place. Accommodate yourself.
Ooh, gems. That's
You
facts.
should always accommodate yourself.
Facts. You come first. in
Yes.
everything.
Yeah, and if you always come first, whenever me decides that me come first, you're not gonna upset. Why would you be mad? If you did pick yourself first.
Yeah.
But you an idiot. You didn't pick yourself first.
Yeah.
And when me pick myself first, then you mad.
I don't know. There we have it. Yo, Lincoln, bro. I honestly, you know, give thanks for your time and your energy, bro. Really appreciate it. I learned a lot. And we're gonna chop it up. We're gonna chop it up, off the camera and stuff like that. But I learned a lot here, you know, from business to relationship to just who Lincoln is.
Yeah.
You know, and a lot of people are gonna learn who Lincoln is, you know, just from, you know, the first segment here that we had. And again, bro, to you, bro, I wanna see how long now have you been in the business, you said? How long you've been
9 years
operating?
since my start.
So another 9 more years, bro, of continued success.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah. More life, more joy, and prosperity, my brother.
Aight, man.
You see me? Yo, so what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You understand what I say? Nothing but quality content for you. You see me? So stick and stay. We have some more things forward soon. You understand? Up move!
But